Welcome to Entertainment News Zimbabwe. This is a platform where you get real entertainment news happening here in Zimbabwe. And this is Mamo reporting for E! News Zimbabwe. Before we go any further with the story that we have today, there's a guy who reached out to us on Facebook asking about adverts. He wanted to ask, he was asking for adverts. He wanted us to advertise for his business. But we told him, no, we don't do any adverts here on E! News as of yet. But we told him, you know what? Since you have reached out to us already, we're going to do a free advert for you. So guys, his name is Mandla. So this is an advert, guys, from Mandla. Mandla said, men, let's fight erectile dysfunction now with milk combo, which is veg power and pine pollen. Contact Mr. Mandla at 078-207-336. So kuneva rume vanonetsa, all men who struggle with erectile problems, here you can easily contact Mandla. He has products that might help you. So to those of you who wish to reach out to us, you can reach out to us via Facebook Messenger on Facebook. But we currently don't do any adverts, maybe in the future. Right, with that being said, now let's jump into the story that we have today. Zimbabwean top celebrity Madam Boss has congratulated the Nyathi family on their brandy new car. Yes, Nyathi family bought a brandy new car 2025. Yes, it's a 2025 car. That is how brandy new it is. Madam Boss jumped into the comment section to congratulate this young couple. Madam Boss said, "This is beautiful, my nini. Congratulations. I can't wait to see a car seat na baby at Gilbert Nyama Nindi." That is Madam Boss right there congratulating Nyathi family. Before we end this video, there's something that we want to talk about, something that we have noticed when it comes to black people, Zimbabweans in general. We were discussing this behind the scenes. We were like, you know what, dai zvichinzi Nyathi afa rufu Nyathi angadai akazadzwa nema-content creators esa amunoziva esa ari popular neasiri popular vese angadai vakamuzadza pama-platforms pavo vachimuti rest in peace. Ingadai ingori rest, achingozadzwa everywhere. But the fact kuti atenga mota inodhura, munozoti mota yatengwa naNyathi inodhura zvekuti inotenga mota dzema-content creators mazhinji 10. Ma-content creators mazhinji, mota yaNyathi akaitengesa anotenga mota dzema-content creator mamwe dzimwe anotenga 10 mota dzema-content creators anofamba nadzo, vamwe dzinotenga 7, vamwe dzinotenga 6. Nemari yemota yatengwa naNyathi R5,000,000. That's very expensive car. So why is it vanhu vanomirira kuti ufe ndokuti vazotaura nezvako ukabudirira vanhu vanenge vakati zingwe vasiri kuona? Ijealous, igodo chiikona imi. Even kure kungote kumuposta but kungouya mcomment section ngoti congratulations. You know what? We don't know what you think about this. Maybe we are just overthinking the whole situation. Anyway, we just want to say congratulations to the Nyathi family. This has been E! News Entertainment News for Zimbabwe. Till next time, goodbye.